awumfanele njengamanje ngoba mina ngidinga ukuthi labo abantu babethu kushiya uzosha umhla ka5 bengaholile leyo nto ngidinga ukuthi ilungiseke njengamanje yabo na bayakhala nje ayikwazi ke mina ke njengomuntu
uqosha nawo ama stand bakwethu hayibo awayitha
kukhala ingane nje
mana umthini fast
hayibo
ezela nje
umsini ngizoona bona manje ayisasi
cash nje futhi iphelele bakwethu azifanele isiphelele imali naye nabaphepha nabo bona la
ongizwe uyacela cela sondele eduze
siyaqhambazela phela eSouth Africa hayibo
okay
ilojani lana uyalala na kuyabhejwa lana umuntu ngibejana manje khamani unginike ukuthi kubejana kamna ngizokulwela into honest hayi kubekho into ngisiza ngayo enizohola khona manje usuka ukukade thanda kasheshe
imali yakhe baba
sinawo usuku lonke bona bahola abantu bafike bahole umhlaba
khanda makhala ngakhona
mana kana nihola ngenyanga yonke noma nihola ngayini
abafika bekhona
bakhona
bakhona bagcwele la
she supervisor phela nje ukufama ingane semakithi solutions gcwele bona bona
makhala madoda wamuza nala maphepha aqala
sifundi wasikuthola soshadile
ngaqala ngambuza amaphepha ayikadala lenkosi yami nawe kusayuvela
ayidala
ungaveli ube nje ubuza amaphepha alifana yami le ithatha
kuyabhuku 100
itataza kamnandi
hayi bukhona ne-threesome 170
ini itrisam no oh kuna trisam oh mami pidi la ma shot lena oh bo ay
hey bu
only subscribe
ayo umakhala imanje bakhala na kwaliwe
yibu ayegoli ke
hawu
abathi supervisor ngokusidaboni
athi usuka phi lo mnumzane
basho ngokusidaba ngene
kunetrisam man nani niyasebenza nomeni volunteer ngapha
anenzani
ake nipendule ikhanza kwenzakalani
kanti basenjalo ibhede kuphela seyini
Any space, my sister, please.
What's the change? Wait, because we have to pay.
How much I'm paying for change?
Angiyasabi khona bahamba bengabuyi ade bazosha itrisam awu kanti ikholi
yabo nabathi supervisor ngokusidaba bakwethu
Ushekele kanje mbizi.
phela abantu bajahile lana sizodlala
Please.
uzoholela nalawo maminithi okugada
wena bakhwelela wade wena
akusuyelo
Now, sabuyile. Oh, okay.
sabona sisi mina ngumlando wasemachonweni I am Ngiso Likhulu and I got a complaint about your staff members. We were there in Uval police station having a meeting about the engagement in operations that will be undertaken all illegal occupants building and all illegal immigrants and all drugs that are happening around Uval. But now as a leader, someone just came in and cried out that they never got paid. Now they are being chased out of their by their tenant, and where they are renting, they don't have rent. Why you didn't pay them? Khuluma phela mama uba lo uphuthu lapha wena ukhuluma into. Hawu.
Master uxoshile.
Sondela
Mina
khuluma.
ngisenayo indawo yokuhlala njengamanje.
Nika imali yakhe ephelele.
Can you just do me one favor? Because I'm not here for a lot of things. I'm here for them to make sure that they get paid. Because it's a very sad moment where you work and you don't get paid. Can you pay them now in front of me?
Okay,
Right
the
now.
only thing that I can do right now is call my management because Abe command me. I'm just the supervisor and the song as Hona.
Why? Now we are complaining about me. Are you also complaining to me?
No, I'm not complaining. I'm just.
Oh, you are comfortable about not getting paid?
No, I'm not.
So,
So the only thing that I can do right now is to call the management and then
where this money for threesomes goes when you don't get paid? Because it's cash.
Can I call my manager?
Can you call the manager? Where are they? Can you call them
My
now?
manager's not around, but I can.
Call them now. I want to speak to them now so that they can activate and authorize the payment now. And otherwise, you will face the consequences of threesome. Balo it was.
Yeah.
Ugly piece. Ugly piece. Which country?
I'm not sure.
No, you are sure you know it. No more but ugly piece. Yes, how are you? Yeah, George, and now I'm here, you're speaking to Ngizo Mtunu, the president of the Pingwa Nation. I'm here in your area and in your lodge, and you must pay your staff now because I got 2 of them that are coming with me to complain that you never pay them. They've been chasing out of their premises where they are renting.
I can't understand what you're talking about. Could you please repeat what you said?
Yes, you need to pay your staff. Your staff are not paid.
Who are you?
I am the president of the Pingwa Nation. I'm the leader of the society, and the concerned citizen, they are coming to me to complain. I was in a Uval police station right now. So as I'm speaking to you, and I'm with them right now, and all I need, I'm not here to inspect, to investigate all the threesomes that you are doing here. And the only thing that I'm here for is for you to pay the staff their salaries. That's all.
Full.
I understand we have a shortage. We have a slight short at the moment.
Full salary.
Mana uba wena.
I'm sorry?
Unoxolo Dlamini and whom and
Hayi akasebenzi lo.
Oh, Unoxolo Dlamini, you need to pay her full salary
Now.
now.
Sena rent and
You need to pay her full salary now.
Yes, you need to pay the full salary now. Otherwise, you will face more consequences because I'm not here to play. And once she reached to me and cried out, I need to address that problem, and that problem must be resolved. I'm a leader. I'm not just nobody. And can you resolve that issue now? Before even I go further with other things that you are doing that are illegal here. So can you pay her? That is a primary concern. That is a primary concern. Come again?
Excuse me.
Hey, young Portland, man, choose me one. Hey, man, hey. Pay salary now.
I heard you the first time.
And are you transferring the money to her now?
I'm telling you that cannot be done today, but it will hopefully be done tomorrow.
Uyagula lo muntu. Uthini lo muntu? Lo muntu nokhwehlela uyakhwehlela lo muntu angafani noma yini le. Malini niholayo man?
6,000 bangambe mapoti.
Yes, can you pay her 6.1?
6.3.
The supervisor telling me that you owe her 6.1. Yes.
It will be paid tomorrow morning.
Come again?
It will be paid tomorrow morning.
No. I want it now. No. Can you pay her now? Now.
Yes,
She reached out to me, and I'm here, and I'm the president of the Penga Nation. I can't leave this premises. I can't leave this premises without solving the issues, because this thing of promising and things are not happening. That is bullshit.
Iyi-5 manje. Umuntu engarentile.
No. 6.1. Can you pay her now?
Yes.
Are you gonna pay now to her?
Yes.
Can you pay now? I'm waiting here until I see the thing in the phone, then I go. Now, please. Come again?
Pay her now from the cash.
Cash, yes. Cash. Give her cash.
Nayi supervisor.
Supervisor, give cash
Manje.
Hayi.
zakhala manje. Utamsule zisha.
Ha.
Zakhala manje.
Hawu umsika.
Urente.
Wagiye umsika.
Hayi othenga itashi.
Cash manje. Amdlali la. Andini uzazana umzadla nasigcozi la ebhoni. Bye.
Nawe ibani iqiniso phela.
Ngiyala phela ngilokhu uzu 4.1 ngiholo.
No, uzokunikeza nye manje ucash. Yes, abheka manje ukuthi kunayo
Anginayo njengamanje ngisebenzisa standard bank vele nali ikhadi lami vele ngisebenzisa standard bank.
Usifakele 4.1.
4.1.
Alright. Uthi angazi wena ufuna cash manje.
Mina ngiyayifuna sela ngithi. Lesela ibuye.
Yeah, mnikeze u2000
yes.
manje. Nikeze imali engizane nendija isana.
Umthunukana abantu bangaphandle laba sebenzayo.
Kodwa ngazi kusodwa ngoba ngosuku.
Hayi zakhala abafana bakithi.
Phuma manje.
Eziyabuya la.
Makathiwe imali ayikho ke la.
Ingakho sheshe akhokha nje.
Uyabona
Utshela umchunu ukuthi
Kuyagcwala noma ekhaya u1000 igcwale yonke.
Akumele kubuye la.
Khipha imali endini.
before ize bese enkingeni nje. Yabona akakhiphe yonke le.
Khipha nazi inyambo hawu engaka.
Yaweba. Fast. Yapu.
Nalaba abanye basela basho down nabo. Nawo asikhonde nabo
Malini le?
sofika soyifuna lo mali.
Ba.
Dale mntasi bani.
Payslip. Ipipo.
Uzayithola nini payslip?
Payslip njengamanje. Angizwa? Izoletha umlungu sasa. Uzomfonela naye.
Angamxoshi-ke ngoba esenzeka nje.
Akamxosha ngelivala ibhithi umiso nomashana. Ngoba amalunga nabantu abalulekile. Amalunga nabantu
Futhi siyazi usenifoni nabo
Beke
khaba
wangixosha nje.
Ngiyaka zamxosha. Ziyakhala manje. Yes, thank you. And then I hope you get paid. And also, if you are, you're also being under a certain abuse, contact me. I will deal with the situation. Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Ishilo ngenza ukuthi uzohola manje.
shele iphunda thi.
Ufuna kumina?
Ngikuthanda ukubhubha yazana.
Khalaza manje ngulungisela manje.
Bangikosha ngiyakutshela futhi.
Hawu uzobuya baba vele bekukhuphule ngomncane kodwa. Yabona nje usuthulisa iphetho imvubu kamongameli.
Yep.
Ngesandla. I have to report him to resolve the issue
Yeah.
immediately.
Yep.
Not tomorrow.
Ngiyabonga
I can't postpone
amaqingwane
the
imali
issue.
yami sengiyitholile.
Into engenela endlebeni kimi ngizwa umuntu la ekhala manje nyembezi. Afana ngilungise manje. Hayi no postpone.
futhi kamnandi siyabonga nje
Cha ungathina mase kuyibonga.
Mawukuthi bangixosha ke angazi ngiyaphinda ngiyambiza futhi amaqingwane.
Ngiyezwa yona. Hey nenzani?
So big.